10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good afternoon, MTK Company. Can I help you?
Hello, can I speak to Kang please?
Can I have your name, please?
It's Bill Bouchari.
I'm sorry, can you speak more slowly?
Yes, of course. Bill Bouchari.
Thank you, Miss Bill.
Hi, Kang. It's Bill. How are you?
Hi, Bill. I'm fine. Thanks, and you?
I'm good. Do you want inform about bag?
Yes, of course. What size do you have?
It's only T-size. S, M, and L.
What is it made from?
It's made from polyester.
Well, I think that one is cheaper.
Are you free on Monday?
Sorry, I'm busy then.
What are you doing on Monday?
I'm traveling in Germany, but I'm free on Friday.
Okay, let me confirm. We'll send data about bag on today.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
Can I help you?
I'm Bill. I have an appointment with Kang in IT.
Okay, Smith Bill. First, you go right up. Next, turn right the elevator over there, next to the stair, and go to the third floor. Finally, go right up is the third door.
Thank you very much.